Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace a main sewer line yourself. It cost me only $490, including all materials and a drain cleaner rental for $53 for 4 hours. Before you start a job, you need to locate your sewer line, and if you have a vent on the roof like I do, below this vent you might find your sewer line. I'm using this steel Probenkroth that I purchased online, and it cost me about $19. With this tool you can locate your sewer pipe easily, and you will know for sure how deep you need to dig until you reach your sewer pipe. And how this tool works, you basically stick it in the ground, and when you hit the pipe you will hear it. I already found a sewer pipe. As you might hear, it is in here, and it is great news. I need to dig a really long trench following this sewer pipe. So this is Orangeburg pipe, also known as a fiber conduit, and it was used from the 1860s through the 1970s, when it was replaced by PVC pipe for water supply and ABS pipe for drain waste vent applications. Orangeburg was a low-cost alternative to metal for sewer lines in particular. Lack of strength causes pipes made of Orangeburg to fail more frequently than pipes made with other materials. The useful life for an Orangeburg pipe is about 50 years under ideal conditions, but has been known to fail in as little as 10 years. It has been taken off the list of acceptable materials by most building codes. Here, as you can see, I have a tree root that I already cut, and it bent this pipe. It took me 2 days to dig this trench. I spent about 4 hours a day. Because I had a lot of tree roots, reciprocating saw helped me a lot. So this is the end of my first day of work. I also found this 2-inch pipe connected to the main sewer line, and this is a drain line for kitchen sink and washing machine. So this is the second day of work, and as you can see, I have cast iron and I have even a clean out, but it is too rusty and it's gonna be impossible to open, and anyway I decided to replace the entire sewer line with PVC pipes. And now I need just to cut old pipes. And I'm starting with cutting cast iron pipe. All of the pipes were cut and removed. Now everything is ready for the installation. All old pipes were in really bad condition. Here I want to show you how this Orangeburg pipe looks inside. As you can see, it's showing its characteristic delamination in layers. And I also decided to clean the drain lines with this drain cleaner. It has an ability to clean drain lines up to 75 feet. As you can see, I did assemble all of the parts together, but I did not glue them. I did mark them, and now I know for sure where I have to install each piece. When you work with PVC glue, be very quick when you're connecting the parts together and have someone to help you. As you can see, this last piece almost ruined all of the work that I've done before, but I was able to install it properly. So here is what was done so far. Do not forget to calculate drain pipe slope when you're installing the PVC pipes. I stopped because the Orangeburg pipe was connected to the sewer clay pipe. It was connected with the cement, and now I need to find a way to connect PVC pipe to the clay sewer pipe. I did try to find online how to connect PVC pipe to clay pipe, but unfortunately I did not find anything, and this is what I came up with. This is flexible donut, and this donut eliminates the use of cement or mortar. It seals securely and flexes with ground movements, and I think it might be perfect for this job. I did install everything, and tomorrow morning I'm gonna check all connections for leaks. This is the next morning, and unfortunately the last piece where I installed donut was leaking, and I bought this 6x4 coupling fitting that I'm planning to use. But first I need to remove this cement from clay sewer pipe and clean it with a sandpaper. When it's clean, now I can install the rubber part. I was able to install this coupling fitting by removing stainless steel clamp. I decided to use both donut fitting and coupling fitting, and now I'm 100% sure that I'm not gonna have any leaks where PVC pipe connects with clay sewer pipe. I decided to add a second clean out for kitchen sink and washing machine drain line. Make sure that you tighten screws on the clamps. I put a piece of paper under each connection to make sure that I don't have any leaks. And now I can start filling in the trench. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.